Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and I hope you all are safe, and welcome back to a fresh, amazing and bang on episode of Vehiculopedia. So friends, as you have seen the thumbnail and title of my video, you must be knowing that I am going to tell you about 5 key points which will make you convinced to buy Honda X-Blade, or which will help you to compare this bike from the other bikes which is available at this price point in the market. So friends, don't skip this video, watch this video till the end, and if you like this video then don't forget to hit the like button. So without wasting any time, let's get started to our video. So friends, let me tell you that the X-Blade is priced as a sporty commuting motorcycle offering a strong mix of comfort and performance. And if I have to tell you, then there are few improvements to the latest BS6 model as opposed to the previous edition, that is BS4 model friends. So here are the list of all new things on the Honda X-Blade BS6 model for 2020. So friends, here are the list of top 5 key points, which is nothing but the improvements of the BS4 model to the BS6 model. So the first point which comes in our list is not a great feature, but still it's quite attractive at this segment. That is nothing but the engine kill switch. So friends, this feature is added with the previous impressive features of this bike, which includes a hazard switch, fully digital instrument cluster, and friends, now it's also getting a gear position indicator, trip meter, fuel gauge and service due warning, along with the mandatory telltale lights. So friends, the next key point which is there in our list is the minor design improvements, which is based on the cosmetic side, or which is based on the exterior side of this bike. So friends, let me tell you that although the design of this X-Blade remains mostly unchanged with the jump from BS4 to BS6 compliant engine. So friends, if I have to tell you about the exterior features, then it is coming with the same blacked out visor, sharp looking tan extensions as before, and the same headlamp unit. But if I have to point out something, then it has got updated graphics on its body. Also, the tank extensions are now body colored instead of black. So friends, as you can see in this picture, all the body extension or the tank extensions which you get in the BS4 model are mostly colored in black, but now this time you will get the colored version. So friends, the next key point which comes in our list is a quite good improvement from its previous BS4 model is fuel injection in it. So friends, the addition of fuel injection is one of the biggest change to the air-cooled 162cc engine of this bike. So friends, now if I have to tell you about the specifications of the engine, then engine now produces a maximum power of 13.8 PS at 8000 rpm friends, and a peak torque of 14.7 Newton meters at 5500 rpm. If you compare it from the previous BS4 engine, then that engine was producing 13.9 PS of power at 8500 rpm and 14.9 Newton meter of torque at 6000 rpm. So friends, now if I have to tell you about the transmission of this bike, then let me tell you that there is no change in its transmission. You will get the same transmission which you are getting in the previous BS4 model, which is 5-speed manual transmission in it. So friends, just a reminder, if you have not seen my previous videos, then I'll give those videos in the I section. Must watch those videos also, and do tell me in the comment section, did you like those videos or not. So friends, moving on to the video, the fourth key point which is there in our list is nothing but the optional rear disc brake. Although friends, this is not a biggest feature, you can even manage riding this bike with single disc brake at the front. There is no such major need of a rear disc brake, but still there is an option of getting a rear disc brake. So let me tell you that the previous X-Blade was only available with a 276mm disc brake at the front, as I said, and 130mm of disc brake at the rear. So friends, this time you can get the 220mm of disc brake at the rear side, which is quite a good improvement. Also, in its braking feature, you will get a single channel anti-lock braking system, which is nothing but ABS as the standard feature in this bike. So friends, the last key point and the most important key point which is there in our list is the difference of the prices from its previous BS4 model and new BS6 model. Then let me tell you that friends, that with the BS6 update or with the new BS6 engine, then the standard rear drum brake variant is priced at 1,06,000 rupees, while the dual disc version of this bike is priced at 1.1 lakh rupees. And friends, let me tell you that all these prices are based on ex-showroom Delhi. So friends, some extra key points which are there is that if you compare the torque of this BS6 engine bike, and if you compare it from its last BS4 engine bike. The extra 0.8 Newton meter of increment makes this bike as the torquiest motorcycle in its own segment. Also, some of the extra equipped feature is the Honda's HET technology and also the program FI system with 8 sensors on board to provide the superior combustion and fuel efficiency. Also, it has a weight of 143 kg to 144 kg for the single disc and the dual disc variants. And some new feature includes the LED headlamps and the tail lamps and the same all digital instrument cluster if you compare it from its BS4 edition. So friends, did you like this video or not, or did you like this bike or not? Please do tell me in the comment section. And friends, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. And friends, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon near to it so that you won't miss any of the notifications of my upcoming videos. And friends, don't forget to share this video with your friends also so that they will also get to know about this bike. So friends, thanks a lot for watching. Be safe, have fun, keep watching, and I'll see you in my next video.